Salut tout le monde, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so on today's video, I'm going to do a get ready with me makeup situation, but I want to try these new products that I got because I was running out of my foundation and I wanted to try this new foundation situation. So I ended up getting the primer and the setting spray as well. So yeah, I'm gonna try those, but here's the kicker. The lady at the store, she told me how to use them to get the best results, but your girl don't remember nothing. I do not remember anything at all. So I'm just gonna wing it and hopefully I land somewhere and right next to her instructions, but I don't remember what she told me. So, and then I also got this new eyeshadow palette that I wanna try because for the life of me, I cannot find a shade of yellow that is pigmented enough. And I love, love, love yellow eyeshadow. And I picked up this one, so hopefully it does the trick, but we shall see. Okay, let me show you what I got. I got this new foundation. It's Eternité de Beauté. It's the Gucci situation. So yeah, that's that. It's Eternité de Beauté. And then that's the primer. It's a Silk Serum Primer. I got that. I don't know if you can see. I got that. And then I also got the setting spray and Glow Hydrating Mist, Prep, Set, and Refresh. So I got that too. And I also got this Makeup by Mario, the eyeshadow palette. So I am hoping that it does the trick and that the yellow is actually pigmented enough. But let me show you what it looks like. But I know I like his packaging. Like I find his packaging to be so cute, but also a little bit impractical because I mean, come on, look at my contour stick. It's just, I'm using makeup. It's so white and so nice. This is what the colors are looking like. I think it's so cute. So I'm gonna try using this one today, like this one, because I'm just hoping it's pigmented enough because it looks very pigmented. All right, let's get started. I think she said to prep my face with the, oh my gosh, this is sad. I do not remember. Okay, so she said, this is what it looks like. It's a cute little situation. This is what it looks like. I think she said to spray my face. So I'm gonna spray my face, then give it like 30 seconds. So let's do that. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It's been 30 seconds, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my primer now. This is what this one is looking like. Oh, this is so cute. And these are so cute. The packaging is really nice. I think that's what she said. So let's do that. Let's prime. Oh, it smells really good. It smells really good. Okay, so it's been 30 seconds. So I'm gonna move on with how I usually do my face. Tinted moisturizer. So I have situated my face, and then I believe she said right before I apply the actual foundation to spray my face again with the setting spray and then let it sit for another 30 seconds, then apply my foundation. So that's what I'm gonna do. So 30 seconds, now I'm going to move on to foundation. Okay, let's hope that it's my color. Let's hope that I was matched properly. Because I kind of guessed it. Oh no. Oh no. It's a little too light for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got this in medium 380 neutral. Yeah, that's too light for me. Oh my gosh, it's way too light. Okay, my honest answer, my honest review. Besides the color being way too light for me, I don't know. I matched it and it looked really nice on my skin, but it's way too light. Anyways, besides that, it's really, really nice. Like it feels really, really nice on my skin. Like, and a little goes a very long way, but I got the wrong shade. I look yellow, but I'm just gonna have to work with that. Moving on to the rest of my makeup, where I stop talking now and I'm just gonna move because I've done this 600,000 times. So now I'm going to try this situation here. Fingers crossed, y'all. Fingers crossed. We're gonna go in with this color right here. This one. Whew, okay. Hopefully it works because I have yet to find a yellow. I'm sold. I am sold. Oh my gosh. Okay, Mario, I thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try to wet the brush and see what happens and see if I can get it to be even more pigmented. Oh my gosh, even better. Yes. I love, love, love this. Okay. All hope is not lost in the yellow eyeshadow lover community. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so happy with it. This is what I've been looking for. What? What? Okay. Listen, Linda. Linda. I am all the way sold. You can't tell me nothing, absolutely nothing. I have no idea what I'm doing anymore. Now I'm just putting it everywhere. I love it. I love, 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 love it. Hey. Okay, so I'm gonna be holding this like that because I thought it had a button, but it doesn't, and now I gotta put a shirt under there. So I'm holding it because I'm running late. I just want to end this so I can go, so I can head out. Okay, so I think that all in all, I really do like the foundation. It's a couple of shades lighter than I am, but I will make it work because it wasn't cheap. Okay, so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna keep it. But yeah, this is the makeup. I really, 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 really love the eyeshadow and how it just, oh, it's so pigmented. this is the first time I've ever gotten my hands on a pigmented yellow. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy with this little guy right here. I'm very happy with that. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. But until then, I hope to see you in the comment section. Bye.